Hi everyone, Mendokichi here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this Anya forger headpiece. To make the pattern of the cone, I used a cardboard, scissors, ruler, and a round object that has the same diameter that we need, which is 12 centimeters. I traced the circle and also marked the center. Then I divided the circle into 4. From this point, I measured 3 centimeters and marked a point where it touches the circle. Then I drew a line connecting that to the center. This part will be cut out. Next is adding a seam allowance of 1 centimeter on all sides and also around the circle. This is now the pattern for the cone. Next, I'm using this compass to make a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. This will give me a 10 centimeter circle, which I will be using as a base for the cone. These are the patterns that we need. They kinda look like the Pac-Man game. Have you guys played that? I cut out 2 of each, and also cut out 2 fusible interfacing for the base. I also cut out a strip of fabric. To fuse the interfacing, make sure that the shiny part is placed on the back side of the fabric, and then iron it for a few minutes until they stick together. Check if every corner is fused. If not, then iron it again. For the cone, I added this gold trim around, making sure to leave a space for the seam allowance. You can use any similar gold trim that's available. Then I sewed it around the outer part of the circle. After that, I folded it and sewed the edges together to create a cone. I sewed the strip of fabric like so. And then I turned it inside out. This will be the strap where I can insert the clip or a headband. After sewing all the sides flat, it should look like this. Then to sew it in place on the base circle, I folded the circle to create a center crease. This will be my guide to where I'll pin the straps. I sewed the straps 2 times on each side to secure it. This is what it should look like. Now I'm pinning the base and the cone together. Just line them up on the edges and pin it in place. I'll be leaving this part open and sew around it. Then I cut out slits around the circle before flipping it inside out. This is now the headpiece. I'm adding this cotton fiber to fill up the inside so that it has a bit of body. I'm also mixing in some of my scrap fabrics while making sure it's not overstuffed. It just needs to stay up compared to the one without stuffing. To close this up, I hand stitched it using an invisible stitch. And it's done! Here's the final product. I used an elastic to hold this up, but you can also use a clip or a hairpin or insert it on a headband. You can also try this project using fabric glue instead of sewing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.